Hi, my name is Donna, and I represent Bee Ridge Virtual Offices in Sarasota, Florida. Today, I'm going to show you how the services that we provide can help you get your business profile verified by Google. First of all, let's discuss why getting your business profile verified by Google matters. Obtaining a Google verification for your business matters because it enhances your online visibility and credibility. Verification allows your business to appear on Google Maps and in local search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. It signals to customers that your business is legitimate as Google confirms your address and details. This can boost customer trust and engagement. Additionally, a verified Google business profile enables you to manage your online presence, receive customer reviews, post updates, and access analytics, which can drive more traffic and improve local SEO rankings. Specifying your service areas and having a verified address ensures you reach the right audience without needing a physical storefront displayed publicly. Whether you meet clients in person or go to them, Google requires that your business meets specific criteria to be eligible for verification. At Bee Ridge Virtual Offices, we offer two services tailored to help you meet Google's standards for either a service area business, a storefront business, or a hybrid business. First, let's explore the differences. What is a service area business? A service area business provides services at customer locations rather than a business location. Examples of this might be a mobile notary, contractor, lawn care professionals, or consultants. Google defines a service area business as follows. The business brings its business to a customer's location and does not serve customers at its listed address. Therefore, the physical address used for verification is hidden from public view on the Google profile. Instead, the business lists service areas by city or zip code instead of a physical address. Subsequently, your business will not appear on Google Maps. However, when someone in your service area searches for your business type near me, your business may appear in the listings. Google will require verification by video. However, you will not need to create the video at the physical address of your business. We'll dig deeper into that later on. Our mail service package is the ideal solution for a service area business. It includes a professional, uniquely labeled business address without the need for PMB or PO box language, secure mail and package receiving, a listing of your business and unit number in our on-site and virtual directories, on-site staff presence during standard business hours, 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. This service allows you to create a strong, credible business presence while keeping your address private. In summary, if you are a service area business that serves customers at their location and do not need a physical business address to appear on Google Maps, our mail service is perfect for you. Next, let's talk about a storefront business. What is a storefront business? A storefront business serves customers in person at a physical location and has a visible business presence. Examples: law offices, accounting firms, therapy practices, business centers. Google defines a storefront business as follows. The business must have a real physical location. The address must be publicly listed and easily found in Google Maps or Street View. There must be clear signage for the business. The business must have staff available during stated business hours, even if hours are listed as by appointment. The location must allow in-person interaction with clients. Google will require verification by video, and the video must be produced on-site at the place of business. Please consider the following. If you are truly a storefront business that serves customers at a single physical location, you may consider leasing a physical office space or storefront location with regular posted business hours instead of a virtual office. A virtual office may not be the right choice for you. Next, let's discuss a hybrid business. What is a hybrid business? A hybrid business serves customers at the customer's location within a service area or areas, but also wants a visible business presence. Examples of a hybrid business might be a notary, lawyer, real estate professional, or a financial advisor. Like a storefront business, Google defines a hybrid business as follows. The business must have a real physical location. The address must be publicly listed and easily found in Google Maps or Street View. There must be clear signage for the business. The business must have staff available during stated business hours, even if hours are listed as by appointment only. The business serves customers at both the customer's location within a service area or areas and at the business physical location by appointment. Google will require verification by video at the physical business address along with certain other requirements. We'll dig deeper into that next. Our virtual office service, an add-on to the mail service package, is the ideal solution for a hybrid business. Again, in addition to everything provided in our mail service, the virtual office service includes 1 hour per week up to 5 hours per month of use of our conference room or workspace. The ability to list a physical business address on your Google business profile that appears in Google Maps. The ability to list the business hours as with days and times on your Google business profile. Signage provided during Google video verification. A business occupancy statement that you may submit to Google that demonstrates your lease of a physical business space. This service allows you to create a strong, credible business presence, include up to 20 service areas, and have your virtual office address appear in Google Maps. In summary, if your business serves customers at the customer's location, but you also want a physical business address to appear on Google Maps, you are a hybrid business according to Google. A hybrid business profile on Google is the best of both a service area business and a storefront business. Our mail service with virtual office add-on package is the perfect fit for a hybrid business. So, which business type is your business? A service area business? A storefront business? Or a hybrid business? Here's a chart that summarizes the differences. Now that you've determined what business type you are as defined by Google, let's explore how to submit a Google verification video. Let's begin with a submission for a service area business. For a service area business, Google will request a video recording for verification. The video does not need to be filmed at your business address because the address will be hidden from your public Google business profile. Google typically asks that your video clearly demonstrate the following: your business name on physical materials. For example, show your business card, an invoice with your letterhead, business signage such as a yard sign, or display your website on a computer screen. Proof you operate in the region. Show vehicle signage or area-specific documents or a local phone number displaying the area code. Proof of business ownership or operation. Show your tools of the trade, branded apparel, or a walkthrough of your workspace, even if it's a home office. Ability to receive mail. Show a piece of mail addressed to your business. The mailing address is irrelevant since you will not be verifying your virtual office address, but rather your business service area. Google has provided a step-by-step video about how to submit your verification video. You may search "Verify Your Business" on Google, or visit brvosrq.com and click on the Google verification link on the homepage for complete instructions and access to the Google video. Follow the instructions carefully, meeting each requirement by implementing my suggestions, and voila! You should receive verification within a few days. As mentioned earlier, B-Ridge Virtual Offices does not offer a physical storefront or office space. Therefore, we'll skip the submission of a verification video for a storefront business. Instead, let's explore how to submit a Google verification video for a hybrid business. For a hybrid business, Google will request a video recording for verification. The video must be filmed at your virtual office business address. In order for Google to verify your virtual office address and allow it to be published on your Google business profile, Google must be provided proof that your business exists at the address, even if you provide services at your customer's location. Here's how to do that. Google typically asks that your video clearly demonstrate the following: the location where you offer your services. To confirm your business address location, show street signs or nearby landmarks. Do not show empty land or places with no clear signs. Proof that your business exists at the address location. Show your business signage at the virtual office address. Display products or tools you use at work laid out in the virtual office space. Show yourself or an employee wearing company-branded clothing working in the virtual office space. Show a copy of your business occupancy statement proving that you lease physical space at the virtual office address. I'll explain this in more detail shortly. Proof of management. Prove that you manage or represent the business. Show business documents like a business license or permit displaying the virtual office address, or an invoice with company letterhead displaying the virtual office address that matches the business address you want listed on your Google business profile. Google has provided a step-by-step video about how to submit your verification video. You may search "Verify your storefront business on Google," or visit brvosrq.com and click on the Google verification link on the homepage for complete instructions and access to the Google video. Follow the instructions carefully, meeting each requirement by implementing my suggestions, and voila! You should receive verification within a few days. How will Bee Ridge Virtual Offices help your hybrid business get verified on Google? When you subscribe to both our mail service and the virtual office add-on package for your hybrid business, we'll provide you with the necessary items required by Google to meet their strict business verification requirements. Here's what we provide to meet Google's requirements. The business must have a real physical location. We will provide you with a physical, unique, and distinct business address to list on your Google business profile, which will also appear on Google Maps. We will provide you with a business occupancy statement, showing that you are leasing a real and physical working space for 1 hour per week with the ability to reserve additional time for an additional hourly fee. You may include the agreement in your video submittal as proof of a physical location. Google will also require you to show the location where you offer services. Even if you are a service area business, providing service at your customer's location, if you want your virtual office address to appear in your Google business profile listing, you will need to show video proof that you have the ability to service customers at the virtual office address during set business hours. When you arrive to perform the verification video at our location, one of our staff members will coach you on how to effectively show street signs, intersection, building address, our suite number, and your unique unit number. Your virtual office business address will be a unique unit number at our established commercial address, which already appears on Google Maps. Next, Google must see clear signage for your business. Your business name will be listed on a physical business directory located at our mail center, as well as on the virtual directory on our website. During the video verification process, we will provide the physical rental space with visible signs stating "Featured Business" and your company logo, contact info, and unique unit number. This will satisfy Google's need for visible, permanent signage during verification. Next, Google must see proof that your business exists at the virtual office location. Prior to your video, we will provide you access to the rental space. We recommend that you set up working tools in the rental space, such as laptop, cell phone, papers, or even servicing a client in the space. During your video verification, we will provide you with keys to access the locked working area. We recommend that you demonstrate unlocking the rental space on the video, also capturing the business signage that we will provide. Next, Google must see that there is staff available during the stated business hours, even if your business hours are listed as by appointment only. Our staff is available to greet your customers Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. This allows you to list business hours on your Google business profile as Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. through 5 p.m. with proof of available staff. During your video, we recommend that you introduce Google to our reception staff. Next, Google must see that your staff can actually service customers at the virtual office location. Since our virtual office add-on package allows you to schedule and utilize 1 hour per week or up to 5 hours in a single month with the option to rent additional time to meet your clients at our conference center, this requirement will be met. During your video, we recommend that you show yourself or staff providing service to a client inside the workspace. Finally, Google must see that you actually own or manage the business located at the virtual office address. During your video, introduce yourself as owner, officer, or manager of the business. If you are an owner or managing member, show a copy of the articles of organization with your name displayed, or a business license with the virtual office address displayed. It is also helpful to wear any clothing or a hat that has your company logo on it during the video. In conclusion, B-Ridge Virtual Offices can help your hybrid business get verified on Google. When you subscribe to both our mail service and the virtual office add-on package for your hybrid business, we'll provide you with the necessary items required by Google to meet their strict business verification requirements. Then, you will be on your way to enhance online visibility and credibility for your business by appearing on Google Maps and in local search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you and boosting customer trust and engagement. If you have any questions about our services or if you want to speak to us about getting your business verified on Google, give us a call. We'll be happy to speak with you.